Hey, what is up guys? John here at Tekmogo. Welcome to the channel. Today I've got something different, but it's kind of the same. Today we're going to be taking a look at this USB hub from iDsonix. So in this video, we're going to unbox these. We're going to check out the features and specs. We're going to check out the build quality. We'll set it up and see if it does what it says it can do. Just a heads up though, iDsonix did send these out to me to check out. So big shout out to them for doing that. It's very much appreciated. But as always, this is an independent review. So if there is anything I dislike about it, I will let you guys know. So for anyone out there that uses their laptop as a desktop like I do, there's times that you could use more ports. And in this case, this is an easy way to solve that. And they are very budget friendly. So it's a quick way to add more ports if you need it, especially if you're someone like me that uses my laptop for gaming. I'd like to use wired mouse and keyboard in my headset. To me, it's just a better way to play. It gives me a better experience than going wirelessly. All right, so it comes in this white box. We've got some iDsonix branding up top. You got 4-port USB 3.0 hub. And this is the black colorway. There is a white model of this, a white version. So if you fancy white, they've got that option for you. So at the bottom here, it says nice and compact. We've got high working efficiency, drive-free plug and play, 5 gigabits per second. And that's what's awesome about these, because you could have your desktop or your laptop like me and you need additional IOs. This is a quick and easy way to do that. And these are not very expensive, so it's not going to break the bank. And I'll put a link in the description in case you want to check it out. So yeah, we'll open this up. We'll see what we get inside. We'll check it out. We'll set it up and we'll see if it does what it says it can do. So let's open this up. Yeah, I like this packaging. It's nice orange and white colorway. You know, that's sometimes we have that theme here at the channel. So there we go. So let's check this out. So we've got a user manual. Check that out later. And the USB hub. And this is the USB hub. Pretty straightforward. It's made out of plastic. I wish it was made out of metal. That would have been nicer, but as long as it works. And again, it's not very expensive, so if something does happen, and that's fine. USB-A, and there's a white version of this, and then there's a version with USB-Cs. So if you're gonna hook this up to, say, like my MacBook Air, I would need that version. But this is going on my asus G14. With that laptop, I need multiple USB-As for my peripherals. Like that, has that iDsonix branding up top. Again, you get 4 USB-As. These are 3.0, 5 gigabits per second. Let's set it up and see if it does what it says it can do. All right, guys, so I've got everything set up. I've got the USB hub right there. I've just got a mouse and keyboard connected to it now. So when it's connected, you get that little light right there. It's pretty cool. Again, there's 4 ports, USB 3.0. I got my mouse connected to it and my keyboard. And as you can see, the cursor, the mouse moving all right. Keyboard's getting power. So yeah, the hub does what it says it can do. And it helps me out because my G7 here, or not G7, but G14 Zephyrus only has 2 USB-As, and when I've got my keyboard and mouse hooked up, and I don't have my headphones here, those are USB-A as well, so it's going to help out in that scenario because it's going to give me that additional USB-A at a price point that's not going to break the bank. All right, guys, so some final thoughts. I would have liked it to be made out of metal, but it does what it says it can do. I have plenty of ports now. USB-A ports for my laptop, so I can plug in like my mouse, my keyboard, my headphones, and everything works as it should. So it does what it says it can do. And again, it's not going to break the bank. So I think it's a pickup if you are in need for extra ports. Definitely check this out. I will put some links in the description. Again, Amazon links are affiliate links, so if you use the links to make a purchase, I'll receive a small commission and you help support the channel at no additional cost. It's very, very much appreciated. And as always, if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash that like button, because it does really help out the channel. And while you're at it, hit that notification icon so you're notified anytime I post a new video. As always, I'm John at Tekmogo. I'll see you in the next one.